Hey guys, today we're making electric pressure cooker Mississippi ribs in our Ninja Foodi, all while having a whole lot of fun. Nice and yummy. Hey guys, welcome back to my camper kitchen. I am Cris from recipes@crock.com, and today for Foodie Friday we are sharing electric pressure cooker Mississippi ribs. This is a recipe that when I was sharing it on the blog vlog the other day, I went to go grab the link and realized we didn't have this on the website and we hadn't taped a show with it, and I don't know how that happens because it is something we very much enjoy, and it's one of those quick and easy meals that we eat all the time. So I thought, well, we better do this for a Foodie Friday. So here we are doing it for you guys today. What I have in the Foodie right now is a rack of ribs. You can use baby back, you can use spare ribs if you want. We've used both. I've got baby back in here today, and to that we're going to use the traditional Mississippi ingredients with a little twist for our personal taste. So we've got the au jus gravy that we use all the time. We have the creamy dill ranch packet instead of a traditional ranch packet. One, we love the dill flavor, and two, it allows for it's a little bit less of a carb count for low carb folks, and so since I eat low carb, we just switch that out for a regular packet. We got a half a stick of butter that we're going to be tossing in there. We also are going to be using a cup of chicken broth, and then instead of whole pepperoncinis, what we are going to use are the deli sliced ones, and we are going to use a half a cup of the rings with the juices included. So we're just going to pour a half cup out to add some juice in there because we love that spicy flavor with our ribs. So that is what we're doing. First and foremost, pardon us, it's really cold outside right now, and so the puppies aren't outside while we're taping, and Ollie is still a baby and doesn't understand he needs to be quiet during tapings. So Addie's going to be trying to work on that right now. So what we're going to do is just sprinkle our ribs with the seasoning packets, and I just like to move mine around so I can get both sides. It's okay if it's not perfect because all those juices are going to cook and pressurize around it, so we just kind of dump it in there. And a gravy packet. Now, if I were going to double this, and I have been known to make a double rack of ribs in here, I would still leave the seasonings the same, even with adding double the meat, because you're going to have enough juice in there and enough flavor in there for both racks. You're just going to want to cook it longer than what we cook a single. So, okay, so that's all in there, and we got all kinds of mixed stuff down in there. So I'm going to add my pepperoncinis. I'm going to just pour some of that juice in there and then grab a fork to grab the slices. And the reason we like the slices, and we kind of started doing a lot of our dishes that way, is because Mikey really enjoys the pepperoncini peppers. I don't really eat them, but Mikey loves them, and so he prefers the slices because that, you know, it kind of mixes it in with the dish a little bit more than the whole ones. And also when you bite into a whole one, and when it's really hot, it kind of, you know, burns your whole mouth because it's hot inside, and it'll squirt in there and it'll be really hot and like burn your tongue. So we're going to just pour these in and pour them over the ribs. Again, the pressure is going to help us get that flavor infused all the way through there. And we're going to pour a cup of chicken broth. In there as well. There we go. And then toss with that a half a stick of butter. Okay, there we go. So now what I'm going to do is put my pressure lid on, and I'm going to cook this under high pressure for 30 minutes because I like my ribs super, super tender. You can actually cut that down to 25 minutes if you don't want them like fall off the bone. We prefer fall off the bone. Seal, and let's see here. Pressure, and I'm gonna go, oop, are you locked? Come on now. And then, that doesn't feel like it's down on there. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to set this for 30 minutes. And then we are going to naturally release for 15 before I see you back here in 3, 2, 1. And welcome back. I have let off the pressure of my ribs, and I already took the lid off because I was going to try and take some pictures. I think I'm going to have to wait to plate it here in a little bit. But it is now time to give it a little taste. So I've got a plate here. Let's see if I can grab some of these and carefully pull off just a little bit here to taste test with you guys. Oops. Let's see what I can do. Oh, there we go. There we go. Nice and yummy. Now, the rest of the trailer is going to be waiting for me to taste this with you guys so that they can have dinner. So I probably ought to get to it. You know, it's a sacrifice I have to make. I'll come up here, show you what it looks like. Nice and yummy. The one thing about those Mississippi flavors is that they just taste so different on the different kinds of meat. So you can use that little trick to make all kinds of yumminess, and it tastes a little bit different no matter what you're making. Love it on pork chops, love it on beef, we love it with chicken and ribs. It's really, really good. Now, you might be asking yourself, if we're using the Foodi, couldn't we drain the juices off there and flip on the air fryer and crisp this up a little bit? The answer is definitely yes. We definitely do that when we are doing barbecue ribs. But with Mississippi ribs, my family just loves it, how tender it is as is, and we don't go on and do the crisping method. But if you wanted to do that, all you have to do is, like I said, drain off all the juices, put your air fryer basket in there, and then you can pop it. We usually, I think, use the broil feature on there for a few minutes and just kind of test it and watch to see it get to the char to the level that we particularly enjoy. So you can definitely do that if you have a Foodi. We like it like this. But speaking of liking things, if you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse, we'd love for you to click subscribe and become a member of our slow cooking, electric pressure cooking, Foodi loving family around here. If you would like notified every time we upload a video, click the ding-a-ling. That's the bell down below, and YouTube will tell you every time we upload a video, no matter if it's a cooking video, a travel video, or a vlog. But whatever you do, we hope you laugh often, eat good food, and speak life. Bye, guys. Electric pressure cooker. Oh my goodness. Sorry. Take his collar off so he won't dingle. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I am Cris from ReaderRecipes.Crock.com, and today for Foodi Friday, Ollie is going to bark.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the